So in this quick demo, we start by installing Cilium with the SCTP option enabled, and we can see that Cilium has been successfully deployed. Next, we're going to deploy a sample SCTP application. We're going to expose it over a node port, and we get the IP address of the node and the port, and we verify that we can communicate over this SCTP to this application. And now we're going to verify with Hubble that we can observe the traffic. You can see that the SCTP flag is that the traffic is being forwarded. Next, we're going to go in the Hubble UI and again verify that we can see traffic over SCTP. Finally, we are also deploying a couple of pods, and we're going to be using network policies to filter traffic based on the label. So only the traffic from a client with the SCTP client label can access the pod. And when we try with a client with the wrong label, you can see the traffic times out, and we can see traffic dropped in Hubble.